and good morning to Seamus, Melissa up in Whistler. You know, we've been trying to give you a little taste of things in and around Vancouver, Whistler, British Columbia during the course of these games, in case you haven't been out here. And boy, I was up in Whistler, well, about 6-7 weeks ago, and they've got a brand new gondola up there that opened. It's called Peak to Peak, and that's exactly what it does. Goes from Whistler to Blackcomb, and if you're lucky, you can get in one of two very special cabins. Have a look. It's a spectacular day at the top of Whistler and an equally spectacular day at the top of Blackcomb, some 4.4 kilometers across the valley. And you know, it used to be it would take at least an hour to get down Whistler and back up to the other side of Blackcomb to the top. But not anymore. Now that Peak to Peak is here, the $52 million lift system, which gets you from here to there in 11 minutes flat.
This is the world's highest, longest, most technically challenging gondola ever built.
It breaks 3 world records and is a phenomenal thing to do and see here at Whistler Blackcomb.
If you're taking Peak to Peak, check out 2 of the 28 gondolas which are silver, because they come with an added feature, a glass bottom floor which lets you see to the bottom of the valley and Fitzsimmons Creek.
You can get a bird's eye view of what it looks like to hang from over 430 meters. About the same height as the CN Tower in Toronto without the antenna. The gondola is the fastest lift on either mountain. It can move more than 4,000 people an hour.
Well, the Peak to Peak gondola goes in the winter and in the summer. And believe me, this is one sweet ride. So good, in fact, I think I'm going to go again. All right, so there you go, Jay and Bev. And by the way, if you're at Whistler, there are 28 cars. 26 of them are kind of a reddish color. It's the 2 silver cars that have the glass bottom that you can look down into the creek, and it's absolutely spectacular. Back to you guys.
I don't know, was anybody on that gondola a little nervous when you were up there, Jeff?
Just everybody, Bev, but other than that, it wasn't too bad.
Just curious. I think I'd be a little tentative. Okay, thanks,
Jeff.
Next up, the game of curling, a Canadian classic. We'll look at what it takes to win.
That's right. The strategy, the teamwork, the endurance. Some former Calgary Flames are going to give it a go to find out just how tough this sport of curling really is. Hey, there's Lanny.